Hi, my name is Kaylee, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the rear wall paneling on your 2024 and up JBL equipped Toyota Tacoma. Using a panel removal tool, pry up on the corner of the subwoofer panel. Slide your fingers under the panel and pull towards the front of the Taco. Remove the subwoofer harness by pushing the release tab. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 4 bolts holding the JBL subwoofer in position. Slide the subwoofer forward and remove from the Taco. Remove the factory jack and tire iron out of your Tacoma. Lower the jack a few turns to loosen the tension and then slide it out. Press the clip and loosen the strap to remove the tire iron. Using a 10mm ratchet, remove the 3 bolts holding the storage panel in position. Slide your fingers behind the panel and pull towards the front of your Taco. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of the social medias, as well as subscribe to us on YouTube because I'm going to be showing you how to do a complete audio upgrade in your 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma, whether it has JBL, non-JBL, is a hybrid, or a non-hybrid.